Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum and some important altcoins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Let's get into the Bitcoin chart. This is the Bitcoin Tether US 4-hour Binance chart, and Bitcoin is currently struggling to break this upside resistance, which is currently at 60,000. Here you can see Bitcoin tries several times but fails to break this upside resistance. Now what is the next target according to this chart? Let me please tell you. Bitcoin is currently in this ascending channel, or you can say ascending triangle, and once Bitcoin break this upside resistance, which is at $60,000, in that case it will go up to hit this zone. Definitely it have to move like this, and after that it have to hit like this. Maybe 63,000 or to 65,000 is my target, and let me please tell you the target. According to this pattern, because this is a bullish pattern, but for this Bitcoin should have to break this upside resistance in order to go up. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at $58,550, which is turning as a support for the Bitcoin, which is very good sign for the Bitcoin right now. And let me please show you the moving average line. Moving average line is far away from the candle. This is also good indication. Let me please show you the volume. Currently volume is very low. That is why there is very less movement in this chart, and Bitcoin price is suffering between $58,000 to $59,000. And let me please zoom this, and let me please remove this. I think so Bitcoin have to break this upside resistance very soon. In that case it have to go to it have to move towards upside, and according to support and resistance levels, I think this will be the target. And let me please show you. According to this support and resistance level, this will be the target, and it can hit $68,000. But I am not sure that Bitcoin will hit this target because of the volume. Volume is missing in this chart. There is very less volume. Strong volume is missing, and that is why maybe some sideways action. Bitcoin should have to move to break this upside resistance, and should have to move toward upside. To move for upside, it should have to break this zone and close hourly candles above 60,000 in order. After that, once Bitcoin break this, in that case price of the Bitcoin will go to will move like this, maybe 63,000, and after that, let me please tell you, and after that maybe it will go down to hit this again, and after that it will move towards upside like this. These are the targets. I think 63,000 and 65,000 I think are very realistic target for the Bitcoin. These are immediate short-term targets, and if Bitcoin move towards upside with high volume, volume like this, candles like this, candles like this, in that case maybe Bitcoin can hit $68,000. And let me please show you something. Let me please show you the Fib retracement tool, and let me assume the target. Please friends, keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Let me please arrange this chart, and after that definitely I will tell you what are the targets. Bitcoin previously Bitcoin was rejected from $62,000 level, and this was the bottom, $43,000, And let me please tell you what is next. Once Bitcoin break this resistance the level of February retracement, after that I think it have to hit $73,000. Yes friends, $73,000 is the next Fibonacci level, which is in between 1 to 1.61, and this is the level and this is the target. But I am not sure. I think 63,000 is my first target and 65,000 is my second target for the Bitcoin, and after that it have to break 68. It have to hit $68,000. Please note down these targets. And if unfortunately in other case, let me please show you the second other side of this picture. If Bitcoin fails to break this zone, because Bitcoin is struggling to break this $60,000 level, maybe if it fails, then maybe it will go down to this level, 54,000, and after that it will move towards the upside. But I am not sure. I think trend is over, friend, until and Bitcoin have to break 60,000 and close overly candles above this level, and after that Bitcoin should have to hit $63,000 and $65,000. These are two my targets, and I think so Bitcoin can hit this. And if Bitcoin fails to break this, then 54,000 is my target in that case. Let me please show you the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is how beautifully is going to hit my target, which was I set in my previous video, $2,031. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and this is the trade of approximately, I think so, sorry for that, near about 8%, and with 10x leverage it is 80% trade. Many congratulations. Now what is the next target? Let me please remove these drawings, and after that I will tell you. Ethereum is currently in this ascending broadening wedge, I think so, and here you can see, let me please arrange this. Yes, it is something like ascending broadening wedge, and once it break towards upside, in that case it will go up. All-time high on this chart of Binance is $2,055. Once it break this, let me please tell you the targets. I think so that Ethereum can break this, and Ethereum can hit these targets. $2,240 is my target, and let me please tell you the target according to the support and resistance base. In that case, I think target is near about and these are, I think, these targets having very small differences, $2,240 and $2,252. These are the targets. These both are immediate short-term targets. And let me please arrange this chart, and after that I will tell you my target according to the Fibonacci retracement. Once Ethereum break this zone, which is 0.78 to 1, and in that case it have to hit $2,690. This will be the target according to the Fibonacci retracement tool. 2682, you can say 2680 to 90. These are this is the target. Please note down these targets, and these are the targets. Sorry for that. $2,240, $2,252, and $2,682. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon, moving every line, and the volume. Volume is very less and very is low volume. Maybe we can see some sideways action in this chart, and let me, candles are far above from 200 moving average, and EMA ribbon is currently at $1,900. That is a good sign, and it turns as a support for the Ethereum. These are the targets. Please note down these targets. And friends, if you want to trade these coins on Binance Exchange, then go to in this video's description, where you can get this link of Binance Exchange. And if you want to trade these coins on Bybit, this is the link of Bybit Exchange. Create your account. It will take only 20 seconds, I think so. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Polkadot. Polkadot how beautifully hit my target. $38 was my target, and I was told you that it is in the ascending channel, and how beautifully Polkadot break this. Let me remove some triangles right now, and after that let me please tell you what are the next targets. Polkadot is currently struggling to break $38. Once it break, our next target will be $42. But for this we have to wait, because this is very strong resistance, and it is creating like a bull flag too. Here you can see it is like a bull flag, very much clear there. Sorry for that. I think it is very clear bull flag, and here you can see, yes, it is very beautiful bull flag. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Here you can see the target of the bull flag will be a 41.85. You can say $42 will be our target. And let me please tell you the target according to the support and resistance base. Our target will be this 41.85. You can say $42 and $42 and $44 are our targets. But for this, it should have to break $38.90 resistance with hourly candle closing. Once Polkadot do this, in that case, our first target will be $41, 41.85, and second target will be $44. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at $36.57, which is very far away, and it is turning a spot for the Polkadot right now. Volume is not very satisfactory. I think a very small volume, and maybe some sideways action you can see, and after that a pullback, it will hit. After that it will hit these targets. It is going to hit, I think so. My next coin is Chainlink. Chainlink is struggling to break $31 price level, and it is currently in between $30 to $31, and it is creating a bull flag right now. Let me please show you. It is a beautiful bull flag. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you want to buy these coins, or if you want to trade these coins on Binance, link is in this video's description. This is our target, 34.46. I think this is very realistic target. It have to hit this target, and in very near future it have to hit this. And let me please show you my next target. But for this to achieve this target, it have to break these resistances, which are currently are at $31 and $32. Once it break these resistances, in that case it is going to hit $34 very soon, I think so. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon, volume and 200 days moving average. EMA ribbon is currently at $29.17, which is turning as a support, a good spot for the channeling. This is good sign. And 200 moving average candles are far above, and from this 200 moving average, this is the bullish sign. But there is not very much volume. Volume is missing. We need that kind of volume, that kind of volume. But now volume is missing. Maybe it can move sideways, and after that it will hit my targets. But definitely it have to hit these targets, I think so. My next coin is Uniswap. Uniswap is currently struggling to break horizontal resistance, which is $30.30, and it is now currently is at $29.17, and currently is in this horizontal channel, or you can say. And once it break this up towards the upside, maybe we can see some sideways action like this. Maybe price goes up to maybe hit this like this, and after that it have to move towards upside, because this is a bullish pattern. And let me please show you the target. Once it break this horizontal resistance and upside trend line, in that case our target will be this zone. 33.68 will be our target once it break this horizontal resistance and upside trend line. Otherwise we may see some sideways action. This is our first target, and let me please show you our second target. Our second target will be this zone, and let me please label on this $35, 35.20 and 33.68. You can say 33.70. These are the targets. And let me please show you the volume and EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is below at 28.97 and turning as a support, and candles are trying to cross 200 moving average. Once they cross this, in that case price will go up. And let me please show you the volume. Volume is very low. We need that kind of volume. Once that kind of volume comes in this chart, then definitely it have to hit 33 and 35. These are the targets. My next coin is BNB Binance coin. Binance hit all my targets. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. And this was the trade of approximately, let me please show you. Near about 70.6%, and with 10x leverage. This is trade of 170%. Many congratulations. Now what is next? Let me please remove some drawings from this chart, and after that I will tell you my targets. And I am very bullish on Binance Coin BNB because of the fundamental event, and because of the main event and BNB burning, and because it break this its all-time high, and it is now currently is at $353. Let me please change the color of these lines. Now these are support lines, that these are not resistance lines. This pattern is not validate now. Here you can see it is very it is moving like very parabolically move, and according to this tool, according to the support and resistance, it can hit. Let me please show you. According to the support and resistance, it can hit $400. $400 is our first target. Okay, and here you can see very beautiful volume, and EMA ribbon. I think here you can see EMA ribbon is very far from the candles, and it is now turning as a support. EMA ribbon is currently at $340. Here you can see 200 moving average is below from candles, and this is a good sign. And let me please show you my next target. Let me please arrange this chart. According to the Fib retracement tool, I think our target will be this zone. Let me please arrange this zone, and which is let me please show you, which is in between 1 to 1.6 Fib retracement level, and this will be the target. Second target will be $550. Sorry, $557. These are two targets, and I think BNB can hit these targets within days. Yes, it can within days. I am very bullish on BNB. My next coin is Cardano ADA. ADA is sideways right now, and it is at $1.21. Let me please zoom this chart and let me please show you. ADA is at $1.20 and in between $1.25 to $1.16. Once it breaks upside resistance, in that case it will go up. This upside side resistance is at $1.25. Once it break this, in that case it have to go to upside, it have to move towards upside, and it have to move like this. Once it break this, let me please show you the volume. Volume is very less. We need that kind of volume, but volume is missing. But when Cardano break this upside resistance, 1.32 will be our target, and it is like here you can see Cardano break uptrend line, and I think this is very good sign. Here you can see Cardano break uptrend line from that point, and I think it have to move towards upside right now. First it have to hit this target, this upside resistance 1.25 you can say. After that it have to hit 1.32. These are the targets for the Cardano right now for me. And let me please arrange this chart. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is not very clear and is at $1.20. And let me please show you the moving average line. 200 moving average line is below, and this is the good sign. Volume is missing. Maybe some sideways action in the Cardano. Maybe it will move in between $1.25 and $1.15. My last coin is VeChain. VeChain is currently struggling to hold this zone, which is $0.087, and this is the zone, and this is the upside trend line. Once BNB break $0.090, in that case it will go up, and in that case it have to hit this zone. This is the first target, and our second target will be this all-time high on this chart is 0.099. But if unfortunately VeChain fails to break this, in that case maybe some sideways action like this, because this is a good spot which is at 0.085, and after that it will move like this. But I'm not sure. I think it have to move towards upside. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at 0.088, and it is let me please show you the moving average line. Moving average line is very far below, and volume is very small. But these are the targets. If we can break this upside resistance, in that case 0.097 and 0.099, these are the two targets. Thanks for the watching, friends. Please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you are new and watching this video, please subscribe my channel, and please join my channel, Telegram channel, because I regularly post charts and price prediction on my Telegram channel. And if you want to buy these tokens or these coins, and if you want to trade these coins on Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Thanks for the watching.